Hey guys, in this video I will be going through the ATP topic of the A-level biology curriculum. So let's begin. So adenosine triphosphate, which is also called ATP, is a nucleotide derivative. So what this means is it's formed of three components, which a nucleotide is usually formed of. So it's formed of adenine, ribose sugar, and three phosphate groups. Alright, so the ATP hydrolysis. So this is when the ATP is hydrolyzed into ADP, which is called adenosine diphosphate. So one of the phosphate is lost. As you can see, the second product is which is PI, is a inorganic phosphate. So ATP is hydrolyzed into ADP and a inorganic phosphates. And this can be catalyzed by the enzyme ATP hydrolase. So, and the ATP hydrolase would make this reaction go faster, and this reaction can be coupled with energy requiring reactions within cells. So this reaction happens with other reactions within the cells, and the inorganic phosphate released, so the PI released, can phosphorylate other compounds. So what this means, it's making them more reactive, so it would lower the activation energy. What this means is that it would cause the reactions to occur faster. Right, so moving on to the ATP condensation. So this would be the opposite of ATP hydrolysis. So in this case, the ATP would be generated from ADP, so from the adenosine diphosphate and a inorganic phosphate, and this is catalyzed by the enzyme ATP synthase, and it happens in respiration, photosynthesis. Right, so there are a few properties of ATP that make ATP a suitable immediate source of energy, and these include that ATP releases energy in small, manageable amounts. So what this means is that no energy would be wasted because all the energy is being used up in small amounts, and only one bond is hydrolyzed. So it's a single reaction to release energy. So that means that the energy can be available rapidly. That's why if you need energy, for example, if you're running a 100-meter race and you need energy immediately, so ATP would be hydrolyzed really quickly, which means that the energy would be available rapidly. And other uses of ATP in biological processes include that it can be rapidly resynthesized, as you can see from the ADP and inorganic phosphate, and catalyzed by the enzyme ATP synthase. So this can happen really quickly, and that's why that's a good use in biological processes. And it does not leave cell, so it'll stay in cell, so it can be used up in cell and is not wasted.